Let's learn with webinar.net how to make our presentations look great.
Tip number 1, positions.
First, you will want to check the positioning of your camera. If you are using your computer camera, please make sure it is at eye level. To make this positioning happen, you can simply use a laptop stand. However, if you don't have one on hand, an alternative is to stack some books and place your computer on top. Try to position yourself in such a way that you are not right up against the wall, so that your background has some dimension. To help give your background some depth, try displaying some objects that say something about you. Also, please make sure your area is clean and organized. Tip number 2, external camera. To help the quality of the image, you can use an external webcam. You can select your favorite one, and then you just have to connect it. Please go to the upper right part of the presenter console, and in the small wheel, select the camera you are going to use. Remember that some cameras need you to install the application on your device. Tip number 3, lighting. When it comes to presenting, lighting is one of the most important components. You can use a lamp that illuminates you in profile so that you can stand out from the scene. If you want to go to the next level, you can place another light so that the shadows produced by the main light are blurred a bit. And if you want to go to a pro level, you can place a light in the back to create a soft silhouette over you and help with the depth of the scene. And place another light of some color pointing to the background. If you are near a window, please make sure the blinds are closed. Tip number 4, audio. For reliable audio, the safest option is to use a headset with a microphone included. Bluetooth earphones can get disconnected suddenly, so please try to avoid using them. If there is a lot of echo in the room where you are in, an easy and effective trick is to place blankets on the floor or padded objects that absorb this undesirable echo. Tip number 5, small details. Please remember to wear comfortable clothes that make you stand out. Try to practice the presentation from beginning to end as many times as possible. We want you to be prepared and confident on the day of the event. You will want to be very clear on the timing of your presentation. Also, remember to keep your cell phone off and disable all notifications on your computer to avoid interruptions. After applying these small details, you will have a very successful presentation. And don't forget that you will always have a professional technical service member helping you on the day of the event. This is all for now, and remember, for any questions, you can visit our website, www.webinar.net. Thank you, and see you in the virtual studio.